So in this question we have to find the value of b. So we can do this question by following two methods. The first method is shown as, the second method is given as, right? So firstly we'll see the method number 1. So in this method we solve this question by converting all of them into a decimal number system. So we have to convert this into decimal. So after converting into decimal we get b square plus 4b plus 2, right? In the same way we'll convert this into decimal also, and 7 into 8 raised to the power 1 plus 5 into 8 power 0. Okay, now after solving this equation we get 61, and for this we'll get a quadratic equation. After solving this we get a quadratic equation like 2b square plus b minus 55. Now we have to find the value of b. For this I am going to use this formula, right? The formula to get the root value. Okay, now here what is the value of b? Minus b plus minus root of 4ac divided by 2a. Here what is the value of b? The value of b is b, right? Plus with plus sign, but here the sign is minus, so the constant is 1. So minus 1 plus minus, that is 4. The value of a is 2 and the value of c is minus of 55. Okay, after solving this we'll get this equation, right? And now we have to make it, I mean first we have to perform addition and then subtraction. Then after performing addition we'll get minus 1 plus 21 divided by 4, that is for 20 divided by 4. So we'll get 5, right? We'll get 5. So first root is 5. Now we have to check is there is any root second root is there available or not. For this we have to put minus instead of plus, so we get minus 1 minus 21 divided by 4. This is equal to minus 22 by 4. Now we see there is a minus sign and we know that base cannot be negative, so we discard this root and we'll get an answer as 5, right? So our answer is 5. We can do this by elimination the options method, right? Like here the first option is 3. 3 is eliminating directly as we check that 4, right? 4, and here if we put 3 then the number inside this is greater than the base, so our condition become false. So we can directly eliminate the option number 1, that is 3. Now we have to check for 6, 7 and 5. For checking the 6 we directly put the value of b, that is 6. By solving it into, by converting it into a decimal, we'll get that 142 has decimal value of 62 and 112 has decimal value of 22, and 75 to the base 8 has decimal value as 61. As we know this is not equal to this one, so we imply this b is not equal to 6, right? So this is not the correct option, so we have to check the next one. And the next I am putting b is equal to 5, right? B is equal to 5 as 142 to the base 5. We have to convert this into a decimal value. By converting into decimal we get 47, right? And then 112 into base 3. Into base 3 we'll get 14 as decimal value, and for 75 to the base 8, that is 61. After performing addition we come to know that 61 is equal to 61, so this one is right, and base 5 is equal to right answer. We can solve the question by using this method or this method, right? This method is little bit lengthier as compared to method number 2, so but we'll get the answer by using both the ways. Okay then.